To open MetaMask, start by going to the MetaMask website and clicking on the download button. You will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store or the browser extension store for your preferred browser. Click on the Add to Browser button to install the MetaMask extension. Once the installation is complete, you will see the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar. Click on this icon to open MetaMask. You will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one using a seed phrase. If you are new to MetaMask, click on Create a new wallet and follow the instructions to set up your wallet. You will be asked to create a strong password and to save your seed phrase in a safe place. Your seed phrase is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to save it in a secure location and never share it with anyone. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the MetaMask dashboard where you can see your account balance and transaction history. You can also use this dashboard to send and receive cryptocurrency, connect to decentralized applications, and manage your wallet settings. It is essential to keep your MetaMask wallet and browser up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and protection against potential threats. Additionally, be cautious when interacting with decentralized applications and only connect to trusted sites to avoid potential scams. By following these steps, you can easily open and set up MetaMask and start exploring the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your wallet and assets.